So as you can see, this rug is a disgusting mess. It has styrofoam, it has dog hair all over it, but I have this wireless vacuum right here, and it's cordless. It doesn't have any annoying cords to get in the way. If you're anything like me, you hate having to worry about the cord and picking it up, running it over. So I got this one, and it just stands up like that. And if you wanted to, you could stick your battery. So this is going to be your battery right here. You just slide it off, and it comes with a charger. So all you have to do to put this back on is just slide on. There's a button to take it off. This also comes off, so all you have to do is press this right here, and this comes off, and you can vacuum your couch, your car, whatever you wanted to. Stick it back on there, boom. This right here extends and de-extends, so you can put it down, and I'm gonna put it back up. So you can just see that this gets all the way to the ground, and it will still be vacuuming. This is where it's going to hold all of the gunk and nasty stuff, but this does come off. You just press that to open this, and it all comes out. And this is the filter. The filter is going to be up here as well. It comes with a lot of different things, so let me just show y'all that really fast. Okay, I have this box right here. It comes with a extra filter. This is going to be for more of your couches whenever you're not using the longer vacuum part for the ground. This is going to be the charger right here. So if you wanted to, you could just hang this on your wall. It comes with screws to screw it into the wall, and then as well as a little extra hose. So you're getting all of that while having a cordless vacuum. So that's all pretty much a lot of benefit. It also comes with this little hook in case you have a bunch of hair or anything wrapped around the vacuuming part. So you have these little bristles right here, and if you have hair stuck to them, it comes with this comb. You just have to comb it out. Okay, so how this works, you have a little power button right here, and all you're gonna do is turn it on super loud. So right now it's on medium mode, and all you have to do to change it is tap it. So now this is on super mode, low mode, medium mode, whatever. And it also tells you what the battery percentage is at. So mine is at 35. Just to show y'all how much this vacuum picks up everything, I'm gonna vacuum this entire carpet and show y'all everything that it picks up in the carpet afterwards. So let's go ahead. Another really good thing about this is I can use this on hardwood floors as well. So I have my carpet all vacuumed. There's still little pieces left. That's all big pieces that I just did not want to vacuum up with this. So as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and take this off, set that aside. And as you can see, look at all that gunk that it picked up. It picked up tons of dog hair. So if you're looking for a cordless vacuum that you can use, whether it's on carpet, hardwood floors, rugs, whatever, and in your couches or your cars, this definitely is a good choice. I'm Kinsey, and I'll see you next time.